Welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover storage management. We will add an extra disk to our virtual machine, partition the disk, format the disk to the current file system, and set up a logical volume manager, also known as an LVM. To get the process started, we must log into VMware and access the virtual machine we want to make the changes to. Once the virtual machine is selected, we will select Actions and then edit the settings on the virtual machine. And from here, we would add a new device, which would be a new hard disk. After adding the hard disk, we will log into our server's command line interface and take a look at the new hard disk. Our next step is to partition the new hard disk. After completing the partition, we want to run the part probe command to write these changes to the OS. The ls block command will show us our new partitions. Our next steps will be to format the partitions respectively. After formatting the swap, we begin the process of creating the logical volume. Now that the logical volume is created, we create a new directory to mount the logical volume to. After formatting the logical volume to an XFS file system type, we are going to mount it to the newly created directory. Now that we have our partitions formatted and mounted, we are going to add them to the HCFS tab file to make them persistent. We are going to add the newly created logical volume to the HCFS tab using the absolute path versus the UUID. for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.